Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My beloved children, you know that Laylatul qadr is the night of decree, where the decree is made by Allah. Allah makes decisions, what's going to happen for the whole year and so on. Everything, Allah decides it and sends it down, subhanallah, for the whole year. So that's a good, powerful night. Some people call it the night of power. It's fine. Why is it so powerful? Well, firstly, it is because Allah decided that it will be powerful. Now, how powerful is it? Allah says, Laylatul qadri khayrun min alfi shahr. The night of decree is better than 1,000 months. And if you work out 1,000 months is between 83 and 84 years. Wow. One night is better than 83 and a half years. Subhanallah. So what should I do on that night? Well, I need to make dua to Allah at least. I need to at least do a little bit more than I do on other nights. I know you guys are children, but you can still read one more dua, read a little bit more Quran, do 2 units of extra prayer. Just seek Allah's forgiveness, just to say, Allahumma innaka afuwun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. Oh Allah, you are forgiving, you love to forgive, so forgive me. Wow. Allah is afuwun tuhibbul afwa. That's the quality of Allah. He forgives and He loves to forgive. So just love Allah. Know that Allah is amazing. He's going to forgive you and He will always forgive you. But you need to seek and ask for that forgiveness. Oh Allah, forgive me. What I said was wrong. What I did was wrong. And so on. So Allah will forgive you and He will bless you and He will grant you. And then all your du'as you want, your supplications, I need something. Make dua, oh Allah, protect me, protect my parents, protect us from corona, grant cure to this person, have mercy on that person. Oh Allah, help me at school, help me this way, do this for me, do that for me, and so on. And there's no harm. Make dua to Allah. It's beneficial. It's good for you actually. So that night of decree, what happened is, initially it was known which night it is. Now, we no longer know which night it is, but we have an idea roughly where it is. So, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ told us that because 2 people were arguing and fighting, so Allah took away the knowledge of the exact night. Never mind, no problem. Whatever it was, it's okay. But what happened? He told us that Laylatul qadr, you need to look for it. You need to search for it. How do you search for it? By making dua, by reading salah, by doing some extra ibadah, extra act of worship, something. Maybe a few verses of the Quran more, by doing something good, a good deed, during the nights of the last 10 nights of Ramadan. So it's in the last 10 nights of Ramadan. Most probably one of the odd nights of the last 10 nights of Ramadan. So the 21st night, the 23rd night, the 25th night, the 27th night, or the 29th night. Some people say most likely the 27th or 29th. But either way, it's one of those odd nights, most probably. So all the 10 nights, make sure that at least you make dua for your parents. Get used to it, because when you grow older, you will then become accustomed. You'll become used to making dua and doing some extra acts of worship during the last 10 nights of Ramadan. So I thought I'd let you know. That's Laylatul qadr. It's the night of decree, the night of power. Some of the scholars say that that was the night where the Mi'raj happened. We're not 100% certain, but it's possible. Some say it was in Rajab. Some say it was in Ramadan, the 27th of Ramadan. Some say 27th of Rajab. Perhaps the Ramadan is a little bit better in terms of the narration. Allah knows best. But still, what we do know for a fact is that it's the night of power, the night of decree, and Allah will open your doors. It's better than 1,000 months. You calculate 12 months every year, 1,000 months. How many years is that? Imagine you're going to get a reward of worshipping Allah for 83 and something years just by one night. May Allah bless you, your loved ones, all of your loved ones. May Allah unite us all in Jannatul Firdaus. And remember, Allah loves you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.